Have you ever listened to the silence and heard something whisper back? I'm Rebecca and welcome back to Ghost Watchers Northwest. Tonight we're tuning in to the unknown, exploring the mysterious world of electronic voice phenomena, or EVPs. Voices said to belong to the dead, captured through the static of our world's lost frequencies. Over decades, ghost hunters and researchers have claimed to record these hidden messages, faint replies, names, and sometimes chilling pleas for help. But what are we really hearing? Ghostly voices or echoes of our minds trying to find meaning in the noise? The story of EVPs begins in the 1950s when a man named Frederick Jorgensen was recording bird songs and instead caught what he believed were voices of the dead. Since then, investigators around the world have captured thousands of mysterious sounds, from whispers to full sentences, using everything from cassette recorders to digital devices and spirit boxes that sweep radio frequencies. Some say the spirits manipulate these frequencies to communicate, forming words out of static and fragments of sound.
Who are you? Middle name. Middle name.
Listen carefully. Many believe this is the moment a spirit answers directly.
He's saying witch. Who is a witch? I think I just heard witch. Are you a witch?
You can hear it, a voice emerging from the static, but is it really there? Or are we tuning into coincidence? I've captured my own EVPs on investigations, old hospitals, graveyards and abandoned homes. Sometimes the responses are clear enough to chill you, other times they're buried deep in the noise and open to interpretation.
Who tells your name?
Oh, I've got a funny feeling on here. Do you know on here? Do you know? Do you know? Do you know on here? Do you know on here? Do you know? Over the years, many have tried to explain the phenomenon. Audio engineers suggest it could be stray radio signals, sound reflections, or simply the brain's tendency to find patterns in randomness. And yet, some recordings seem too direct, too specific to be dismissed as chance.
See him through that mirror.
Right, so let's have a quick listen.
Okay, one, so you kind of recording. I'm going to put it out in the camera because
When I hear something like this, it makes me wonder, are we truly alone in these empty halls, or are the spirits still trying to reach us, using the only tools they have left, our own technology? Skeptics argue that our expectations shape what we hear, that when we listen for voices, we'll always find them. But believers counter that too many voices, too many names have been captured across the world to be a coincidence. Perhaps the truth lies somewhere in between, in that grey space where science meets spirit and data meets faith. I'm just going to check this is on.
There's a tin on that there, so you can do.
I'm just going to check this is on.
There's a tin on that there, so you can do.
I'm just going to check this is on. Can you tell us your name? This is the lost frequency, a channel between life and death, forever hidden in the static, until someone chooses to listen. So what do you believe? Are EVPs genuine voices from beyond, or just tricks of sound and imagination? Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm Rebecca and this is Ghost Watchers Northwest. Until next time, keep your recorders running and your minds open. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and join me for more spooky stories if you dare.